Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will learn how to compute a square root of a number in Microsoft Excel. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. In Microsoft Excel, there is a built-in function for square root computation of a number. Let's say we want to find the square root of 16. So we just put equals sqrt and then open and close parenthesis 16 in cell A1. Oops. E7 we have 4. Another example, let's say sqrt 64. So we have 8 sqrt, let's say we have 144. We have the square root of 12. And then another example, sqrt, we have 9. So we have 3, no? So that's it guys, in solving for square root of a number using sqrt function in Microsoft Excel, finding the square root value of a number. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.